Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aleksandar, your online business English coach. Today we are going to make sense of all those business abbreviations and acronyms you see floating around. From CEO to MVP, these short forms can seem like a secret code. But don't worry, I'm here to break them down for you. We'll cover what these terms mean, how they're used in different areas like leadership, startups, HR, finance, and even everyday communication. So if you've ever been puzzled by business lingo or just want to sound smarter in your next meeting, stick around. In leadership roles, abbreviations save time and are widely recognized. Here are some of the most common ones. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Our CEO just announced a new expansion plan for next year. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. The CFO discussed the financial strategy for our upcoming quarter. COO, Chief Operations Officer. The CEO oversees daily operations and ensures our processes run smoothly. CTO, Chief Technology Officer. The CTO is responsible for overseeing the company's tech advancements. Startups use their own set of abbreviations, focusing on development and growth. MVP, Minimum Viable Product. The MVP version of our app will launch next month. R&D, Research and Development. We're investing heavily in R&D to stay ahead in the market. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Our new SEO strategy increased website traffic by 20%. SMM, Social Media Marketing. We'll improve SMM efforts to boost our online presence. Let's look at some HR-related terms you'll often see in job descriptions. The first one is HR. That means Human Resources. HR will help onboard new employees. FTE, Full-Time Employee. As an FTE, you'll receive full benefits. PTO, Paid Time Off. Remember to request PTO at least 2 weeks in advance. PTE, Part-Time Employee. As a PTE, you'll work 20 hours per week. Finance uses tons of abbreviations to describe complex metrics and rates. ROI, Return on Investment. The ROI for a marketing campaign was higher than expected. ROE, Return on Equity. With a 15% ROE, the company is generating solid returns for shareholders. EPS, Earnings per Share. The EPS for this quarter showed a significant improvement thanks to increased sales. ACCT, Account. The company's balance sheets list ACCT details clearly. Sales and marketing teams rely on these short forms to track success. CPC, Cost per Click. Our CPC is low, making our ad campaign very cost-effective. CTR, Click-through Rate. CTR on our email campaign exceeded 30%, showing high engagement. CX, Customer Experience. Improving CX has led to better customer retention rates. WOMM, Word of Mouth Marketing. WOMM has been crucial in growing brand trust organically. Lastly, some general abbreviations you'll see in emails and meetings. ASAP, as soon as possible. Can you send over that report ASAP? FYI, for your information. FYI, the deadline for submissions has been extended. TBD, to be decided. The time for our meeting is TBD. OOTO, out of the office. I'll be OOTO next week, but you can reach me by my phone. That wraps up today's list of common business abbreviations and acronyms. Let me know in the comments which one you use most often. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering business English. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.